Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the bounds of y and bounds of z, but we don't have the bound of s. We need to find the bounds of s in here. Because we have same y and y in here. So we calculate about this one and we got about s equals to negative number 1 and s equals to number 1. Now we need to graph about y equals to s squared and y equals to number 1. About s squared, the graph should be like this. Y equals to number 1, the graph should be like this. And the intersection in here, that's about negative number 1. This is about positive number 1. So the bounds of s, that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. About y, we can see that y equals to number 1 is on the top, y equal to s squared in the bottom. So in this situation, we have s squared, y, and number 1 in here. About z, we see that z equals to number 0 and s squared plus y squared. This is about the positive number. Positive is always greater or equal to number 0. So the bound of z should be like this. Because these number, they are the positive number, they always positive. That's why they should be like this. And now we need to use about triple integrals. We have dz, dy, and dx. About dz, that's it from 0 to s squared plus y squared. About dy, we start from s squared to number 1. And we have the s negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now we need to calculate the integration of dz. You got about z, and we put the bounds from 0 to s squared plus y squared. So we put this one go in here and z go in here. So for this one, we have s squared plus y squared minus 0. So we simplify. We don't need to use about number 0 in here. The integration of dy with s squared, we have s squared y. About this one, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from s squared to number 1. So I will put number 1 go in here and s squared go in here. Now we have the final answer, the integration of s squared. We have s to the power of 3 over 3 This one we have s over 3. This one we have s to the power of 5 over 5. This one we have s to the power of 7. Number 7 with number 3 we have 21. So I will put number 1 gone here. Negative number 1 gone here. And we have the final answer. You got about 88 over 105. This is the end. Thank you for watching.